Yo, what it do? Happy Mother's Day to your baby mama, to your sister, and to your mom. I hope you guys have a good weekend. I look like a mess because I just came back from the gym, but I got to review a new item for you guys. It's my first time trying it. I always wanted to try this one, but like I said, I like to try things that there's deals on it, because I'm not about to spend $60, $40 on something that I could grab this somewhere else for a better deal, you know? So this is what we're working with. We got the Firecracker pre-rolls. So this comes with 3 pre-rolls. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can get a better view. Alright, so this is how the container looks. Granddaddy Purple Indica. The THC is, damn, 49. It comes with 3 joints. I got this for $16. Alright, so let's open it. It smells like whatever's. I'm not gonna lie, the joint that I got for free, this one, smells really good. Tastes really good too. But anyways, this is how the joints look. Oh, you know, I always wanted to try joints that have like a coat that is white. Look, this is how they look. The coat has it has diamond sauce. Sheesh. Alright, so it comes with 3 joints. They're nice and rolled, actually. Sometimes there's some joints that are longer than the other, but that's how it looks.